Dear student, today we start maxima and minima. So first we understand how to find the maximum and minimum value of the functions by using the second derivative test. So we understand here the procedure for finding the maxima and minima, that is the maximum and minimum value of the given function. So here the second derivative test is given. First point, that is one function is given, and from this function to find a first order and second order derivative. So our first point is to find f dash of x and f double dash of x from the given function to find first order derivative and second order derivative. Second step in the second point, to find the root of the equation f dash of x is equals to 0. That is here consider first order derivative f dash of x is equals to 0 and find out the root of the equation. Suppose here I assume that if c is the root of the equation f dash of x is equals to 0, then we find f double dash of c. Then we find f double dash of c. If here there are two chances, if f double dash of c is greater than 0, then f of x has minima at the point x is equals to c. If f double dash of c is strictly less than 0, that is the value of f double dash of c is negative, then f of x has maxima at the point c. So by the help of this second derivative test, we solve some problem for maxima and minima. So we take here one problem or we solve one problem. That problem is here, determine the maximum and minimum value of the function f of x is equals to log x. So here first we write f of x is equals to x into log x. Differentiate both sides with respect to x. Therefore f dash of x, which is equals to x derivative of product of two function. So first function x into derivative of second function, that is log x, plus second function log x into derivative of first function, that is x. Therefore f dash of x is equals to x as it is. Here ddx of log x, we know that ddx of log x, that is 1 by x, because this is the standard result, plus log x ddx of x, that is 1. So log x into 1, we get here log x. Then here x get cancelled, which is equals to 1 plus log x. Again differentiate both sides with respect to x and to find the second order derivative, that is f double dash of x. So f double dash of x is equals to ddx of 1 plus log x. Here we use the addition rule. So f double dash of x is equals to ddx of 1, that is 0, plus here ddx of log x 1 by x, and 0 plus 1 by x, so we get here 1 by x. Next, we find the root of the first order derivative equals to 0. That is here to find the root of the equations f dash of x is equals to 0, means we take here the first order derivative equals to 0. And here we already find the first order derivative. First order derivative, that is 1 plus log x. So 1 plus log x is equals to 0. 1 plus log x is equals to 0. Log x is equals to minus 1. From this we find x is equals to e to the power minus 1. E to the power minus 1, use here indices rule, which is equals to 1 by e. When x is equals to 1 by e, then we find f double dash of e, means we put x is equals to 1 by e in second order derivative, that is here. And we know that here the second order derivative is 1 by x. So we put f double dash of 1 by e, which is equals to 1 upon 1 by e, which is equals to e, and this is greater than 0. So by using the second derivative test, f double dash of 1 by e is greater than 0, then f of x has minima at the point x is equals to 1 by e. To find the minimum value of f of x at this point, that is x is equals to 1 by e. So we put here x is equals to 1 by e in the given function, and given function is f of x is equals to x into log x. So f of 1 by e is equals to, here x, but x is equals to 1 by e, log of 1 by e is equals to 1 by e as it is. Log of 1 by e can be written as e to the power minus 1. Use here indices rule. We know that 1 by e equals to e to the power minus 1. Similarly, 1 by e equals to e to the power minus 1. So f of 1 by e is equals to, use here log m to the power n log m. Similarly, minus 1 by e into log e, and which is equals to minus 1 by e. This is the required solution. That is, here we find the maximum and minimum value of f of x is equals to x log x with the help of the second derivative test. तर अशा प्रकारे आपण इथं मॅक्झिमा आणि मिनिमा याच्यावरचं एक प्रॉब्लेम सॉल्व्ह केलेला आहे. तर हे प्रॉब्लेम तुम्हाला समजलं असेल तर बोर्डबुक मध्ये एक्झरसाइज मध्ये जे नवीन सिलेबस आहे त्याच्यामध्ये असे भरपूर प्रॉब्लेम्स दिलेले आहेत. किंवा तुम्हाला जर काही समजा मदत लागली असेल तर याच्यावर माझ्याकडे माझ्या नोट्स सुद्धा अवेलेबल आहेत. जे नवीन सिलेबस आहे त्या नवीन सिलेबसचं जे बोर्डबुकच्या एक्झरसाइज आहेत त्या पूर्णपणे आपण सॉल्व्ह करून दिलेल्या आहेत विथ MCQ सुद्धा. आणि मार्केटमध्ये जे बुक्स आहेत त्याच्यापेक्षाही कमी रेट्स मध्ये चांगल्या नोट्स आपल्याला मिळणार आहेत. म्हणून त्या स्क्रीनवर जो दिलेला माझा जो मोबाईल नंबर आहे त्याच्यावर जर काही बाहेरचे विद्यार्थी असतील आणि त्यांना या लॉकडाऊनच्या काळामध्ये जर काही फायदा करून घ्यायचा आहे, अभ्यास करायचा असेल तर याच्यामध्ये आता सेल्फ प्रिपरेशन फार महत्वाचं आहे. म्हणजे एक दोन प्रॉब्लेम आपल्याला सॉल्व्ह करून मिळतील पण बाकीचे प्रॉब्लेम आपल्याला स्वतः करावे लागतात. आणि चांगल्या नोट्स जर आपल्या पाशी असतील तर आपण स्वतः सेल्फ प्रिपरेशन करून चांगल्या प्रकारचा अभ्यास मॅथमॅटिक्सचा करू शकतो. एवढं आपण लक्षात ठेवायला पाहिजे. आणि इथं थांबतो. धन्यवाद.